Good morning, boys and girls. I just want you to know that Miss Laura misses you all very, very much. And I thought we'd start off the morning with a nice science experiment. So I was wondering about clementines. And in my house, I have some clementines here. And I was wondering if a clementine could sink or if it would float. Now, sometimes we play this at school. And we all go around the room and say, "What do you think this would sink or float? Do you think this would sink or float?" And some say it would sink and some say it would float. So I'm thinking because it's so heavy that it's going to sink and in some water. So if you go around your house today, you can play this game with your family and you can say, "This is the sink or float challenge." And we play this at school and it's really fun. So I found a vase of water here, and I figured if I had this vase of water, I could show you if it sinks or floats. So I'm going to guess again that it will sink. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See, I was wrong. It floats. Wow. Then I thought to myself, I wonder if the peel, which is another word for rind. I wonder if the rind has anything to do with whether it sinks or floats or not. So I'm going to take this out, my clementine, put my water to the side, and I'm going to peel it and just see. Peel my clementine. See. Okay, now that it's peeled, let me set it up in the water again. Now, what do you think? Is it going to sink or is it going to float? Interesting. I wonder if anything changed. Well, something did change. I took off the peel, right? 1, 2, 3. It's sinking. Look, it sunk to the bottom. Look at that. All right, now I gotta dig my hand in there and get it. Whoa. Okay, so we learned today that because the rind, which is another word for the peel, is tiny little air pockets all inside the rind. And that's what helps the clementine to float. And it gives it a lower density. Lower density than water would make something float, and a higher density of water would make it sink. So that's what we learned today, and I thought that was pretty cool. I'll see you next time for our next STEM activity.